Now, when we do extend the fiber back and forth and utilize it, and now we've used it and it's become short to the point we can't use it, it's easily replaced. So we're going to turn the laser off. Just going to flip it over, and you're going to see that just by pulling this out, we can change this fiber cartridge. Pulling this out, unscrewing this, and this whole fiber assembly cartridge would be replaced with the new fiber. The new fiber would now be reattached, screwed into place, and then this would once again be slid right into the assembly of the laser, and you'd be ready to go. So very simple, long-lasting fiber. I would say you'll get good 3 to 6 months of use out of it if you're using it to its full potential.